Hello, welcome back. Today I have Samsung Tab, which is Samsung A9 Plus series. So the customer says either it has a display issue or has battery or something. But in this video, you will learn how we can replace the screen or how we can change the charging port, or if the battery. So we'll go with the battery. So just after heating up, just put on the heating pad. So we use this any plastic thing. The first I have used the sharp blade to pull it up, and now I'm just using the plastic things and just try to leave all edges. Disconnect all edges from the body. So just keep going. Don't press too much hard, because after, here we go, you can see it's kind of very easy, but it looks easy. You have to be very precise and very very accurate to do those things. Otherwise, if it has some kind of wire underneath that, it will cut. So after moving all around, so I'm just removing everything on the corner. So just put one of your finger and you will able to detach from there. You see, this is the LCD panel which contain the display and the touch glass together. So look at this. So this is connector. You'll find the one connector only, the couple of connector with the one metal piece plate. So just remove those two screws. You need a flip screwdriver to remove those. So after removing this one, so let's disconnect the battery and those connector. So let's disconnect this and the battery. So you'll find this one big connector on the motherboard, on the screen. So here is the charging port. Look like the charging port is broken. So I'm gonna change the charging port first, and then see with it not charging or something, then I'll go for the screen or the battery. But the charging port look like damaged. So this is the plastic top. You need to remove 4 screws. So after disconnect this thing, so there is a charging port. So let's bring the other charging port. This is a new charging port. So if you see it's a A9 Plus. If you're going to change the battery, just simple disconnect those battery connector and remove it. Or if you want to change the only charging port, lift the screen, follow those steps, you will able to do that. Okay, and the meantime you can also learn how to change the screen. So let's connect this. So this connector has been connected. So let's put the screws back. So there are only 4 screws. So I'm just putting back right now before checking, because I have to connect to the screen back. So I don't want more hassle. So this is a connector of the display. There's a combo display. Is as I said earlier, is touch and the touch glass and the inner display are together. So let's connect this thing. So the I don't know why it's giving me a hard time, although it's very easy. Here we go. Now it's connected. Connect the battery. Put metal plate back, so it will go. You'll find those grooves. Just put there, and you need to put the couple of screw down. So this is the one, and that the second. So the if you want to repair anything in Samsung A9 Plus series, so you have to lift the screen in order to do that. As long as you're able to lift the screen, everything is easy. So let's put the charging port to make sure it's charging before close, or maybe we need to replace the battery. Yeah, here is charging, which means the LCD is okay and the battery looks okay. So let's turn on and see. It shows the Samsung logo and it turns on. The touch is properly working, which means the LCD is okay. Yeah, the touch is properly working. So LCD is okay, and it shows the charging right upper corner. You see 0%, but I will wait a little bit. So let it go up. So make sure it's properly charging and that there is no problem with the battery. So wait a little bit, and then we're gonna change it. So after a while, you see it's 2%, which means it's just going up, which means the battery is okay, screen is okay. The charging port was a problem, which was not showing anything. So it has actually adhesive tape, so it's just stuck there. So let's remove it. So I'm just using this glue. So just apply glue on all edges before packing it final. So after applying the glue, I'm just making sure the charging port is properly working. It shows the 2%. So now I just put it back. If you like that video, thumbs up, and if you want me to fix any of the phone, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you.